Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by ensuring you have the right credentials and a stable connection because edits are audit trailed. Once logged in, select your role so the interface shows location and beneficiary lists. Navigate directly to the beneficiary profile to avoid navigation delays. Tap Edit Location. The system reads current GPS or allows manual entry. Make sure the beneficiary's Aadhaar or ID matches records to prevent mismatches. If you follow these initial checks, you avoid common errors and save time when proceeding to update coordinates. Once on the Edit Location screen, capture GPS coordinates for precision. GPS reduces mismatched deliveries and reporting errors. If GPS is unavailable, manually choose ward, village, block, and district using drop-downs to maintain standardized names. Enter PIN code and use the map preview to visually confirm placement. This step prevents location drift. After verifying the fields, press Save to trigger validation rules. If the system flags inconsistencies, reopen the fields and reconcile entries with the After validating the map and fields, save the update and then sync so the central database records the change. Syncing prevents local-only edits that get lost. Make sure you check the audit log for the timestamp and user details to confirm successful submission. If the system rejects the update, revert to the previous verified data and correct the beneficiary ID or recapture GPS. Sometimes clearing cache or switching networks resolves sync failures. Finally, document any manual corrections in your register for accountability.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.